All right, Scotty's been a scrubbing, cleaning, dancing machine, I guess.
Something like that, yeah.
It's been a long day.
Okay, so the inside of this is almost completely done. There's just stains to the metal. I'm not worried about them.
Yeah, there's definitely some silicone, some yuck here.
Yeah, so I mean,
Probably put it one end in the ultrasonic and then flip it over and put the other end in.
Yeah, to help break it up.
And then hit it with a wire brush.
And I've got almost all the silicone off on the outside, well, for the rim. And I think I do. I think we're just going to have to throw it in and let it soak for a while to help
break it up a little bit.
Yeah, and then I can get this inside of this one cleaned. Because this one's
pretty
clean.
Good.
Yeah, I mean, I still got to wipe it down a little bit, as you can tell.
It's pretty nice. I mean, as nice as it's going to get.
Yeah, I mean, it'll look better once it's wiped down.
It wasn't perfect to begin with.
Well, yeah, exactly.
And then somebody silicone shit out of it.
Right.
So
we've got a little bit left to do, cleaning-wise, and then they'll soak. I can't believe I'm spending this long on trying to get something clean. This is ridiculous.
Because people half-ass their jobs, and then we come in and try to fix it. I mean, we have to straighten all these in the pan.
Oh, yeah.
Too.
Everything's got to be straightened. All of them. This one's even worse.
Yeah.
I had to straighten all the holes on this one. It had bends in it and everything. Oh, God. Yeah, it's been rough. Thank God I've made a couple of custom tools to tap the holes back down again. So
yeah, you've gotten good at that. You've gotten like a whole deal about that. All right, anyway, let's clean up. Let's get out of here.
It's getting there, and it's
almost 2.
Yeah,
We've been here since before 6. I've had enough. You've had enough.
It's 94 in here.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm a little tired. A little worn out.
We're all a little tired.
But hey, on that load, ladies and gentlemen,
On that load?
Yeah, on that load, ladies and gentlemen.
We done. For the day.